Power BI is a pretty expansive technology. It's got a lot of different features and functionalities. Like, it not only is an ETL tool, but it's also a modeling and visualization tool. Coming to grips with how all of these parts interact is probably the hardest part. That gives it awesome functionality because you can essentially use it to do the modeling, like extract the data, and also visualize it all in one tool, but it can be a little overwhelming at first. I probably would have told myself that Power BI exists. So the way I kind of figured out about Power BI is I was trying to make a personal budget planner, and given my personality, I kind of took it too far. It started as a simple project. I got super complex at the end of it, and I had this horrible idea that we couldn't use Excel anymore, so we should use VBA instead and create this modeling structure using arrays and compression. And I was like, this is going to take forever. And thankfully, I decided to just do the thing I should have done 6 months earlier and just Googled if a structure for this had already been done before. That's kind of how I found Power BI, and then all of a sudden, all of these things that were going to take months at a time, I was able to accomplish in a couple of weeks, which was awesome. I think if you get too overwhelmed, you might not want to pick up the technology. Power BI is awesome because it can cater to pretty much any level of expertise. There's a lot of graphical user interfaces that allow you to do the simple things really quickly. And maybe just start out with a personal project. Maybe you have some finances that you wanted to organize a little better, and go ahead and build something out real quick, see how it works, and then go from there if you need new features. Here at Collectiv, we offer some really great training courses that cover the basics that you'll need to know, but they'll also allow you to bring in materials that you might need help with that we can go through together and help you get to where you want to be in Power BI.